Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. How are you all? I hope you guys doing good and you guys are enjoying the market because the market has turned a little kind of pump on yesterday. So let me know in the comments. Do you think that we have already found the bottom, or where do you think? But we are going to utilize different technical levels and we try to know where the bottom might actually be if we haven't already hit it. So if you want to find out exactly what I think, as well as some technical analysis of the chart exactly like mine, then make sure that you stick around all the way to the end of the video to watch it all. Anyways, let's go straight into it to start. Let's take a look at the market itself right now, and we have got about 0.88 down in the market in terms of the global crypto market cap. So it's not ideal, but it's not really anything crazy. We are still around $884 million, and it would be really nice to get back up to 1 trillion just to have that. So market cap, we have the market cap because it has already hit it the 2 trillion. A lot of people thought we are going to stay over 1 trillion for a long time, and now we are below. A lot of the people are getting very worried now. Bitcoin dominance is at 42.6, and we is actually interesting because we usually see Bitcoin dominance raised in times like these because people are usually betting on purely Bitcoin and taking their money out of old coins. However, we are not seeing the crazy high Bitcoin dominance right now. So I would expect to probably see that go up, but we will happen overall the price in terms of the Bitcoin itself. We are sitting under the 20,000, and unfortunately still we have the Ethereum beneath the $100. So last 24 hours, the top 100 are the convex, and we have that about 17 percent, and we have step in around 10 as well, as bed up around 9, and the biggest losers are at the USDT. So if the guys have been following the channel, I personally had a quite a lot of money, maybe in the USDT, and the things have gone well. And amount out of 10, when I pumped there the another day, they let me know if the guys are still holding or whether you sold all yours. And then we have still a synthetics down even 7%, as well as compound down around the 7%. But let's take a look at a new article. It is important to know because there is a kind of a ripple effect on the rest of the market. So the REIT is at the $120 million right now, and the dollars worth of the stable debit to make up protocol. So the Celsius paid off another 120 minutes towards this Bitcoin loan that it had on Maker in the last 24 hours, which is that great because this means that there is new liquidation price sits at just under $5,000. And before this, a lot of people saw that it was around $16,000. People getting very scared that the Celsius were gonna liquidate. So the fact they managed to do had definitely had a huge for them. And I think a lot of people are getting a little bit of the trust back with Celsius themselves, and this have been reflected in today's price, and we are at the 94 cents current trading for the Celsius. And see, over the last few days we have seen that increase all the way from the 60 up to high around dollars 10, I believe, that 24 hours high. So we have seen really a nice gain on the Celsius. However, it will be interesting to see as start getting the withdrawals back out of stuff like this, whether the people are going to trust them and whether they can continue keeping that trust, because that is super important, and trust is broken in crypto. It's very hard to get it back. What do you think it's going to happen with Celsius? Let me know down in the comment right now over there. Anyway, let's go to our Bitcoin analysis, and we move towards analysis and a kind of a cap, because it's really important stuff. Let's start off with some top down analysis on the weekly chart, and we have gone on the some weekly chart right now over there, and I'm going to tell you how my charts look like. So there we can see on the weekly chart. We remove the extra things right now from here. The major structure we broke at $29,000. Once we broke, it was pretty much game over in the terms of the price coming lowerly lucky, and we do have this level here, which holding right now, and this is also linked to the all-time high, and bitcoin has run up in just about $20,000, so this is holding quite well. However, if we closely see, we are not holding convincingly, even that we have seen a bottom happens here. For example, we can see here, at least on the weekly, we have seen quick we have seen a quick blue. When I show you, we have seen a quickly blue kind of candles right now, and we are seeing here, for example, if we utilize back in 2021, we are seeing in 2021, when we see little blue candles, and some in after, rather than these weak ones, we are seeing here, for example, if we utilize back in 2021, we see, so this a big push in this red candle over there, and then very similar. However, you can see we saw some weak blue candles after the price and up, and we still happens there, and then you can see it wasn't until got a bullish engulfing candle on the weekly chart that things actually started to move in the right direction. You can see, however, another one over there as well. So I would like to see a bullish candle on the weekly chart. Show me confidence rather than these weak blue candles that are actually showing nothing but low volume and indecision. And I think in terms of the price going down and moving, we may see price come a little bit lower into the round than 16 to maybe $15,000, and I want to say around the 16 $500,000, the kind of a bottom of this week, and we start to make above 22,000 level, and we break above the $22,000. We actually broken some major structures on the lower frame time, and then that means we can see a retest and then a push up on the weekly chart, which would be around $29,000. Now we have to take this on the 3-day chart, for example. That works, so I think that's better to have the 3-day chart right now over there. So we'll move toward the 3-day chart, and I think that the Bitcoin will move towards the, sorry, 3 hourly chart. When we have viewed the 3 hourly chart, and we are seeing the candles right now over there, they are pretty much bigger than the last one, and we see if they, if we break the level here, and then we come to retest and then push up to around that $29,000, and hopefully it happens until we break that $23,000 right over there. This is the point at which we break, and because we are still ultimately in a very much bearish market and the downtrend, and it doesn't matter how many times the Bitcoin price pumps on the lower time frame and a little bit, that doesn't fill me with any joy or any potential, confidence, because we haven't broke any major market structure. Now let's go to the chart. We are seeing the chart right now over there, and we are seeing the market is so much kind of bearish, and we see a bullish again on the daily chart. We need to break the $21,000. So this was the video. Hopefully you like my video. You have to subscribe my channel for the daily update for the Bitcoin. So maybe you are enjoying the video or you like my video, hit this subscribe button. To get my videos, you belong to the crypto community, you have to like, subscribe my channel and join my Telegram channel. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.